Hello and welcome to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video I'm going to talk about some remedies that I always have on hand when it comes to the first aid. I'm not talking about first aid kit this time, although this is related to the first aid kit playlist, which is which I've covered about in several videos regarding my best creams, my best essential oils, and my best types of remedies that I always include in the actual kit itself. This one's more about single ingredients that I always have on hand at home that have been something that I rely on to help with giving that soothing, that gentle, that antiseptic benefits that I need, and I both use them myself, and I also use them for my own family as well. And we're talking about raw ingredients that you can easily find in the kitchen, ones that you can store preferably at room temperature as well, and that I always have on hand. So apart from the infused oils, the creams, the ointments, the specific ingredients that I've talked about, these ones are simple, these ones are easy to use, these ones are easy to store as well. And starting off by the one and only garlic. Garlic is great, it's really antiseptic, and it's really important to have on hand because you can use it internally, you can use it in different recipes to help in giving the antiseptic benefits as well. You can also use it for infected spots. I personally use crushed garlic and apply it on infected spots, for example. Of course, please consult your own medical practitioner. I am only talking about my own personal experience as well as what has been traditionally used in my Middle Eastern background culture. So garlic is really amazing also for hemorrhoids. If you have hemorrhoids, I highly recommend you use garlic oil. That's another thing. But if you don't have garlic oil on hand, and if you don't have any other ointment that you normally use, then I personally have kind of seen results through applying garlic for also. We've got onion. Onion is amazing, and you can simply place fresh slices of onion on insect stings as well. Insect stings stripe provides rapid relief. Why? Because onions are really important for the body. They're important because they contain the antiseptic, the antifungal properties as well. Now, if you've seen one of my most viewed videos of how I apply onion slices on the feet whenever someone's having a little bit of a cold, these work wonderfully overnight, as long as you are not allergic to onions. I personally use them. I've used them on all members of my family. They've worked amazing. So if you've not yet watched that video, I'll put a link to that in the description box below. Now, another thing that I include always and use as part of my first aid is ginger. And ginger, I mean crystallized ginger as well as fresh ginger, because it really helps with nausea. It really helps to prevent travel sickness. It also helps with digestion issues as well. So if you don't have ginger on hand, I highly recommend you to store yourself some crystallized ginger. Also, we have aloe vera. Aloe vera is amazing. I always have a plant of aloe vera sitting at home, enjoying the sunshine. It's really important, aloe vera, because it helps to soothe minor burns. It helps with sunburn. It helps with different kind of beauty as well. But talking about first aid, it's important for burns. It's important for helping to heal wounds as well. So I just simply take myself a fresh aloe vera slice, I split it open, and I apply the thick gel on the affected area immediately. Now, if you're not able to store aloe vera plant in your home, I understand. I'd opt for a aloe vera gel, a packaged aloe vera gel, travel format. You can easily get it in the pharmacy. I just put it in the fridge, store it in the fridge, and I have a small little travel size packet in the car as well whenever I need it. So these were my main raw ingredients that I use as part of the first aid that I store at home. We've got garlic, aloe, onion, and we also have ginger. So if you've enjoyed today,